Morning everyone. Myself Dr. K. Venkatesan, working as a professor in Sanjeevani College of Engineering. So in this online lecture, we are going to discuss logistical regression algorithm for credit card dataset. So we have written the source code for this. Just we are importing the pandas, and again we are importing the Shibana library, NumPy library, and my dataset is a credit card. Credit card.csv will be the my dataset. So once we are executing the coding, we are getting the full detail. So it is my dataset. So dataset will be having total number of record will be 2,84,807 record was there. So total number of column will be having 31 column. So total number of rows will be having 2,84,807. So just I am going to applying the data dot head. So this head will be show the first 10 records from that particular given record, from the particular given data set. So then from the given credit card class, so once you're opening that, there is the last column will be there, class 0 and class 1. So class 0 means we have to assume that will be having as a actual transaction without having any problem, but class 1 mean that will consider as a, it will consider as a fraud transaction. So we are going to assume fraud will be considered as a, if the if the last column name is last column value is 1 mean that will consider as a fraud. If the last column value is a 0 mean that will consider as a nominal. So we just have to write the coding fraud equal to data dot loc of, so data of our class will be the class name in that particular column. Just I am going to executing the coding. So it will number of fraud will be having, so 492 records will be having 492 transaction or fraud transaction. Again normal transaction will be, so when you execute the normal, so we have that normal will be 2,84,315 transaction will be there, we are considering a normal transaction. So if you want to calculate the length, so we come to know length will be the 492 for fraud. Again normal length will be, again we get the value will be 2,84,315. So again when we need to find out the logistical regression. For calculating the logistical regression, we are going to importing the sklearn library, import the linear regression function, and again from sklearn library again we are importing the train underscore split and train underscore test underscore split. It will separate the data from the training dataset and again test dataset. So when we speak about around 31 column, so I am going to consider x equal to data dot I loc of -1. So last column will be considered as a x. So y will be that means x will be remove the last column. So that means 30 column will be taken as a yes. So just I am going to executing this coding. X will be having the 30 value and y will be having only one value. So after that then we are going to applying the function part to split the training and again test data set. X underscore train, x underscore test, y underscore train, y underscore test. We are splitting the training data set and again testing data set using this coding. Again I am going to calculating the what will be the correlation value. So CLF will be having the some frequency. Just we are executing the code. So then we are going to calculating the what will be the y underscore prediction. So prediction will be np dot array of, just we are going to consider the which of the x underscore test we are data set that we are consider as a prediction. Just I am going to executing the coding. Again I am going to importing the confusion matrix, classification report and accuracy score. So after that I am going to print the my confusion matrix and I am going to print that accuracy and I am going to print the classification. So if you see the overall the thing will be, my accuracy of the system will be 99.992. Again confusion matrix will be, so 99516, again 20, again 58 and again 89. So this is the overall report of this particular project. So this project will be explained how to find out for credit card system for using logical regression we can predict the accuracy. Accuracy will be when compared to according to this data set, our accuracy will be 99.9. Thank you.